Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have with us a very special car, and this is a 95 Mazda RX-7. This is from the project Mu, and we'll see more details about this car by unboxing it, but just giving you an overall look of this card first. As you can see, a beautiful card art over here, and it is from the Hot Wheels J Imports, and this is a very beautiful car. If you see, the card art is also very good, but not able to see the logo yet that is shown here, but it's okay. We'll see it afterwards by unboxing it. I got it for 179 rupees from a local store while hunting. This one I got in the K case, and it was on peg hunting, guys. So the card art is very intact. Okay, but I'm just willing to open it, and afterwards I'm thinking to do some custom paint on it. So for that only I'm opening this car, and as you can see, the painting over here, the color paint is very nice on the back, and the front, the detailing is not that good. So I'm thinking to customize it by my way, and we'll put on a next video on it, might be after some days, but today we'll just unbox it and see how it is from inside. And let's unbox it. We'll just carefully open it from the bottom. This should be sufficient to let it come out. Yeah, carefully keep it aside, and here we have the unboxing part. Is as usual very exciting, and when you get the car in your hand, it feels very good. Now this also is a very detailed model of car, guys, as we are able to see. The moment I got this in my hand, it is very good. The weight distribution of this car is perfect. I'm not sure whether you're able to see. Let me zoom in. Yeah. So here you can see the car. It's Project Mu written over here, and some text here, PMU. It is from Hot Wheels Graphics, and we have one more from Hot Wheels Graphics, and this one was the small block. If you are able to see, both I have opened. Here also they have written Hot Wheels Graphics, and the graphics series is always very good at their paint job, so they have something different in it. So this also from that Hot Wheels graphics series only. You can see a Hot Wheels logo over here, and then coming to the back, you can see the RX-7, the logo. It's written Mazda over there with the logo RX-7. Look at the tail light detail, guys. They are just awesome. That's why I'm thinking to customize it from the front, so that paint will be completed, and this will be a awesome art piece after that. You can see there is nothing paint job, just engravings on the front part. Okay, so I'm thinking to paint the headlights and all, so it will look good. You can see it have that cool smile over here, but it's not visible that much because they are not painted. So we are going to paint it, and let's see, not now, like in future video, might I'll just customize it a little bit, so that will be a cool video, guys. You can see the exhaust details are present over here, so that also looks good. And the bodies of metal, the chassis of plastic. You can see there is some chassis detail also from the exhaust. Now 95 Mazda RX-7. It's just a very cool car, guys. There is no irregularities in the paint job I've seen yet. Like there's nothing to point out. Project Mu, it's written over here also. And here. So Project Mu is a company, guys. They make like the front brake padding and all, and then fine tuning of cars. So they are cool at their job. You can see Hot Wheels branding over here also. And the best part I like about this car is the interior they have given over here. See the back. The back is too good, man. The interior of the car is also very good. That's why I just unboxed it to put in my showcase and to let people know how Hot Wheels can be good at it, like when it comes to the Hot Wheels graphics part. There is some irregularity over here, but it's manageable. That's a very small dot over there. The tires are made of plastic only, and they have the silver rims on it, so that also look nice. Here also we can see some irregularity on the paint. We'll do a roll test for it and we'll end this video. I'll just give you a 360 look of this car, and that's all. Let's do a roll test. Yeah, it rolls pretty good. That's it. Stay subscribed, guys, and we'll meet in next video. Until then, keep sharing, keep liking, and I'm just giving you a 360 look of this car, and then we will end this video.